Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write a story about the hare and the tortoise. So let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a hare and a tortoise in a forest. The hare was very proud of his speed and always made fun of the tortoise for being slow. One day, the tortoise felt angry and tired of being teased by the hare. He said to the hare, "Let us have a race and see who wins." The hare laughed loudly and accepted the challenge. When the race began, the hare ran very fast and soon went far ahead. He looked back and saw the tortoise moving slowly. The hare thought the tortoise would take a long time to reach him, so he decided to rest under a tree and fell asleep. The tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily, and finally reached the finish line before the hare woke up. When the hare woke up, he ran quickly towards the end, but it was too late. The tortoise had already won the race. The hare felt ashamed of his pride, and tortoise was happy to win. The moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Thanks for watching.